Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a WITHINGS BPM Core. You can see I have the WITHINGS BPM Core right here, and you may need to charge it, of course. It has the micro USB port right here. I don't know if there are some newer generations that do have USB-C. The one that I got has the micro USB, which is quite weird, but okay. You probably get the cable in the box anyway. Yes, let's turn the thing on. You'll have the button on the other side, right here, and you just need to press and hold on it for a moment. It'll display WITHINGS right here and then tell you setup, right? So let's click here. No, sorry, you don't have to click, I forgot. You need to get the app. This is the second thing, right? So I'm gonna put my phone right here and let's try to set everything up. So we need to go to Play Store on Android or App Store on iPhone to get the app, right? Let's go to search and then search for WITHINGS. Like that. Okay, now we can just install the app and wait for a moment. Okay, it's installed. I can open it from here. I'm just gonna open it from the screen, right? Let's click on Get Started, and I'd need to enter my email address and set up an account or continue with Google. And I'm gonna continue with Google because, you know, it's a bit easier to do that, right? Let's select my Google account that I have. Now you can agree to privacy policy, to the terms, and if you want you can also agree to receiving marketing stuff on your email. So I'm gonna opt out of that. Let's go further. Let's enter the first name, the last name, then the birthday. Let's do whatever. Okay, then assign sex and residency country. I'm not really sure whether that really needs to be true information. I don't really think so, but I'm just gonna assign it to my own so there's no problems in case it requires some data, and also it'll most likely adjust some units, right? So no, it does not do that. I need to click on it. Okay, let's select height unit, so centimeters in my case. I'm gonna do like this and then weight. I'll also set it to kilograms, but you can set it to pounds, of course. And let's go further. Okay, it's gonna wait a moment. Then you can add multi-factor authentication, so no one attacks your account. I'm not really sure why would anyone, but okay, let's go further. Yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna opt out of that because I would need to set it up with Authenticator app and stuff like that. Then activate Health Connect. Well, let's activate it. Let's click on OK, and now we're gonna import our data from the Health Connect on our phone. So I'm just gonna allow all. Click on allow, then let's click on done, and now select the product that you'd like to set up. So it is gonna be our blood pressure monitor BPM Core, and let's click on install. Now you'll need to allow it to detect nearby devices, so let's click on allow, then click on allow here on the pop-up. Okay, I think I'm already started. Yes, you can see it shows setup right here. Let's click on next, and now it should start connecting. Okay, let's click on pair. And as you can see right here, it should start connecting. Okay, it's done. Let's click on next. And now you'll need to set up Wi-Fi connection on your of course, like if you don't have it, then you can just click here. I actually wanted to do so. Okay, let's just go through that, because there's also an option to configure like the Wi-Fi connection instead of Bluetooth, and most likely it's just faster, and maybe it has some other features. We'll see about that. But now it is fine. You should sit for 5 minutes. Keep your back straight with your legs uncrossed and do not speak. So I'm just gonna get back to you after 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes, you should put it on. So as it shows on the picture and in the description, it tells you that the cuff should be placed directly on the skin, and the tube should be placed along your outer arm with the button on top. And okay, let's do it. And the rounded sensor, which is right here, should be against your rib cage. Okay, so let's open it up, and then I'm gonna try to show you that on the video. We're gonna put it on. As you can see right here, I have it on correctly. Here is the button, right? Sorry, here's the tube with the button being at the top, and here is this like thing, right? The sensor. So I'm just gonna now put that down, and let's click on next. It should be with your heart level, and you should be able to insert 2 fingers between the cuff and your skin. So okay, I've tried it and it works. Let's rest my arm, press the button, and press the button at the top of the tube. So I'm gonna press it. Okay, now it is done, and let's take the ECG. I need to start by pressing the rounded sensor against my rib cage. So yeah, let's click on next. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna hold the metal tube and wait. Okay, now it is done. The metal tube, by the way, is like this part right here, so that's what you should hold. And the sensor right here should be held against your rib cage, like pretty closely. Now you can slide your finger on the light trail to assign the results to yourself or someone else. So as you can see right here, I can slide it across and do like guest or myself, or if I had more people added, then I could select them. I'll add it as myself, then I'll press on the button to approve. And now it is loading the results, so most likely I can just get it off now. And as you can see, it shows us how to use the app. Let's click on next. Let's go further. Next. There's some health data. Okay, I'm just gonna go through that. Let's allow notifications maybe. I'm just gonna go out of that. Okay, let's go. Oh, it asked me for like a survey. I don't wanna survey. Okay, yeah. So now if I wanted to check my results, I could just go to like my for example the body, right? And it shows me everything. I can also assign like another weight. When my weight changes, I can add it, so it will show me a graph of my weight. Here's my height, of course, and there we have it. Then heart, and I can see my ECG, my heart rate, my heart sounds, and my blood pressure. So these are basically all the things here, and if you want to learn more, there are other videos on the channel on the device, so I hope that this video was quite helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.